Fall Guys and commit suicide for each other.
Okay,
Yeah,
that
you
seems
saw-
to make sense.
For me, real quick. I'm
did
gonna chat
not
with
mean to
Give me a
go
moment.
through the portal. I
Okay.
did not.
Okay, just wait. Wait for me here. Okay, never mind. Babe,
Oh,
babe.
What?
hold on.
What?
Okay,
Huh?
hold on.
Oh, what
Okay.
is this? Oh, wow.
It's a crystallized cheese. Anyway.
Gelatin.
What?
Anyway.
Yeah, what's up?
You're making me forget what I was gonna say.
Some of that cheese?
We could also try Untitled Goose Game tomorrow.
Oh
if you
yeah!
wanted. We can go cause chaos as a goose couple.
Oh,
I
dear.
have not tried Entitled
go
Goose
be-
Game yet.
We can go
Guys,
be dicks
I
to people.
actually would like to mention, I've actually officially completed my Bugsnax game.
Oh shit!
Yep.
I don't
Yo,
know what that is, but okay, congrats.
Bug Snacks is where the bunger thing comes from.
Yep.
The what?
Bunger.
Okay, just eat my. You know what? Just. You know what? At this point, I'll just say I'll eat your ass, and it'll make more sense.
Wait a minute.
Wait till later, okay?
Take that out of context. Yeah,
dude,
very
Listen,
separate
okay?
reactions.
I've dealt
recording.
with a horny boyfriend before.
I'm still
Boyfriend number
recording,
one is
by the
horny
way.
as
Yeah, I know.
fuck. Obviously, I'm gonna make the horny responses back.
You do realize I'm still recording, right?
Whatever. Don't stop! Stop! Cut. Cut the tape. Yo, fuck this. Hey, nah. Hey, you know what? Fuck it. Rat mode, and I'm going down this bitch. I can't. Fuck. Let me in. I'm a fat fucking rat ass. Fuck no. Let me see the
I
tunnel.
did not mean to. I'm not posting that. I'm not
Okay.
gonna post that. I swear.
By the way, I was gonna say.
I will never post that.
if
I
you
am
wa-
not.
Wait. If you wanted to go terrorize children or something.
Besides,
go do that.
Nah.
Besides, I don't think I would ever
Nah, I'm
post this
alright,
on
because-
YouTube because there's also mention about terrorizing children.
Oh.
And
We
also,
still get to
okay,
cuddle.
wait.
Also
Cuddle later,
very
right?
clipped out of context.
Fuck yeah. And also, I mean to say, when I wanted to terrorize.
Yeah.
Fuck alright. Oh, let me guess. It's another fucking troll. God, fuck it. Oh my god.
Oh.
You know what?
Yep,
Every time I
I'm
look
staying
in,
right here.
every time I look in, TJ, please don't jump off.
Wait, what? Oh, that's a cliff.
Don't. That's the abyss. Do not jump off, please.
Backing up.
Okay. Also, look. Telescope.
No, I'm not letting you troll me again. Fine.
God damn it.
No. That's the Bozo got finessed.
I'm sorry. Don't hurt
I
me.
will
I have a
eat your
shield.
fucking ass. I swear.
Hey, that's my
What?
fucking. No, that's Kino's. That.
I don't know where
Wait,
TJ
please tell me I was
Can
still
just-
recording
Both
that.
of you come here. Both of you come here.
Oh my god, it was.
You're telling me to look through.
No. Just every time I look into this abyss, all I can imagine is a freaking ghost leviathan coming out from the darkness.
I'll blame the
hey.
God damn it.
I got that on camera.
Oh
my gosh,
I got that
That
on
was good.
I can
camera.
see them at the bottom.
Wait, really?
They were at the bottom. Please be careful. Please be
I
careful.
got them on camera.
POV.
Are you
dude.
recording this
asshole.
entire adventure now?
Maybe.
Are you recording
Hi.
this all?
Yo.
I'm going to kill him.